enter your server connection data. Now, click the Connect to VPS button to establish your SSH connection. Next, click the Files icon to access your server file management system. After that, click on a folder to open and explore its contents. Following this, click the Menu button to view file options and management actions. Then, click the Edit button to modify the selected file's contents. Next, click in Browser button to open the file in the integrated editor. Following this, click the text area to view and edit the Python script code. Following that, click the Save Changes button to persist your modifications. Following this, click the New Folder button to create a new folder in Live Data Code. Following this, enter your desired folder name in the text field provided. Following this, click the Create button to confirm and establish your new folder. From here, click Test Folder to navigate into the folder and view its contents. Following that, click the Upload button to add files to the test folder directory. Next, click the Folder option to upload an entire folder with its structure. After that, click the Select Files button to choose files for uploading. Following that, click the Refresh button to reload the test folder contents. Now, click the Terminal icon to open a command line interface for advanced operations. After that, click the terminal area to enter your command and execute system operations. There are a lot of quick commands you can use. Following this, click the X button to close the VPS Commander sidebar panel. Then, click on the Deploy Node AOJS app workflow template to view its steps. Following that, click the back arrow to return to the previous workflow screen. Next, click the Menu button to access more options for this workflow. Following this, click Edit Workflow to open the workflow editor and configure your settings. Now, enter the workflow name in the File Details text input field. From here, click the Custom node to configure this workflow step's settings. Now, enter a name for your custom workflow step in this field. Following that, enter your command in the text field to define the new folder action. Following that, click the New Folder node to view and configure its settings. Following that, click the X button to close the New Folder dialog box. Following that, click the Save Changes button to persist your workflow modifications. Next up, click the OK button to confirm and close the Workflow Saved Notification dialog. Next up, click the File Details Test workflow to view its steps and details. Following this, click the Test button to validate the workflow configuration and results. Following this, click the Execute button to run the File Details Test workflow. Then, click the OK button to confirm and execute the workflow on your server. Now, click the back arrow to return to the previous page view. Following this, click the Create button to start building your first workflow. Then, click the Docker node to configure container settings for your workflow. Then, click the X button to close the Docker configuration panel and return. Next up, click the back arrow to return to the previous screen. Click the lightning icon to access quick automation and workflow shortcuts. Following this, click the Close button to exit the VPS Commander panel. From here, click Cron Jobs to access automated task scheduling and management workflows. Next up, click Show Own Cron tab to view your current cron jobs configured on the server. Afterwards, review the crontab configuration file to understand scheduled Python tasks. Following that, click on User Management to access the user account workflows and configurations. Following that, click the documentation icon in the left sidebar to access logs.